United States President Joe Biden told his Japanese counterpart, Fumio Kishida, that the United States and Japan will hold Russia accountable for its invasion of Ukraine.
So under Japan's leadership, we've already delivered progress on the G7 agenda this year, and I'm looking forward to our meetings in the days ahead. As you said back in January when you were at the White House, I think the quote is, we face one of the most complex environments in recent history, security environments. And I couldn't agree with you more. And I'm proud that the United States and Japan are facing it together. And, we stand up for shared values, including supporting brave people in Ukraine as they defend their sovereign territory and holding Russia accountable for its brutal aggression.
The G7 summit runs from Friday to Sunday, and member country leaders are expected to discuss a possible tightening of sanctions on Russia and security concerns about China, among other topics. Differences among the nations about how to deal with China emerged after French President Emmanuel Macron visited Beijing last month. He called for the European Union to reduce its dependence on the United States and cautioned the EU not to get drawn into a crisis over Taiwan driven by an American rhythm and a Chinese overreaction. A United States official said the G7 would focus on the need to support developing countries hit by recent shocks, including debt and climate change, and leaders would rally around the need for bold action to accelerate the transition to clean energy.